As AI sweeps across the world and humanoid robots enter more industries, one bottleneck is becoming clear. The lack of real-world physical data is limiting the evolution of embodied AI. Traditional data collection relies on expensive robot bodies. It is often inefficient, limited in scenario coverage, and inconsistent in data quality. Damon OmniEgo, a body-free data collection solution, takes a different approach. From a human first-person perspective, it enables natural interaction in real environments while capturing multimodal raw data, including vision, force feedback, motion trajectories, and more. This makes data collection simpler and more practical. From data capture, intelligent cleaning, and accurate annotation to standardized dataset output, Damon OmniEgo provides a continuous supply of high-quality, diverse, and scalable data. It helps robots better understand the real world and work more efficiently,